COVID-19 to reverse human development for first time since 1990. A United Nations Development Program report published on May 20 said the COVID-19 pandemic could set back human development for the first time since 1990. The UN said the coronavirus crisis has exposed inequalities all across the world, but also shown the power of collective action against a common threat. The UNDP wrote that the pandemic is unleashing a human development crisis that is, in some ways, equivalent to levels of deprivation last seen in the mid-1980s. UNDP head Achim Steiner explained that other crises like the 2014-2016 Ebola outbreak in West Africa and the 2007-2009 financial crisis never prevented year-on-year development gains overall. The pandemic's effects on income, education, and health present a unique threat on human development. The UNDP estimates that 6,000 children will die each day from preventable causes, not from COVID-19, over the coming 6 months, adding to the pandemic's death toll of over 300,000. In terms of studies, school closures worldwide have made it impossible for 6 out of 10 children to get an education, considering many are unable to access the internet. Out-of-school rates in primary education are set to drop to the levels of actual rates of the mid-1980s levels. According to the UNDP report, the pandemic has also caused the largest contraction in economic activity since the Great Depression, directly affecting income. Aside from all this, the coronavirus restrictions have caused less visible indirect effects, such as an increase in domestic violence, but these have yet to be fully documented. The South China Morning Post reports that these setbacks would be equivalent to erasing all the progress of the past 6 years. The UNDP proposed 3 principles as a framework to help countries respond to the crisis. First, the world must look at the response through an equity lens, addressing the countries, communities, and groups that are already lagging in enhanced capabilities. Next, we must focus on people's enhanced capabilities, then follow a coherent multidimensional approach. The UNDP calls for a systematic approach instead of a sector-by-sector sequential approach, as the crisis is connected to health, economic, and social aspects. The solidarity many have shown towards fighting the virus supposedly lends hope that the world can come together to fight climate change.